Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy and excited to share this special video with you. Today, I'll be showing you how I make a beautiful bouquet for my friend, Beth. We're celebrating her daughter's graduation and birthday, so I wanted to create a unique and meaningful gift. Throughout this video, you'll see the entire process of how I use dried wildflowers from my collection to make this special bouquet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video of making a truly memorable gift. Collecting dried flowers, plants, and leaves has become a serious obsession of mine. Going for walks and searching the area for these priceless finds has become a crucial part of my daily routine. New discoveries are made every day, which I excitedly collect and bring home. Since I like collecting these natural beauties so much, my collection has expanded rapidly over time. Their unusual forms, complex textures, and mellow colors have me captivated. I can already see the gorgeous bouquet that they will eventually form with each addition. I diligently collect as the days pass, inspired by the desire to provide meaningful presents for key occasions. Each dried flower, shrub, and leaf is carefully chosen to ensure that it harmonizes with the others. I take pleasure in selecting a wide variety of components that will eventually come together to make a beautiful bouquet. The effort invested in this pursuit is not to be underestimated. It begins with my daily walks and hikings, searching fields and meadows for the best specimen. Once collected, the plants undergo a meticulous cleaning process, removing any dirt or impurities that may have accumulated during their time in nature. Next comes the creative part of making the bouquet itself. I make my time and put a lot of effort into arranging and crafting it. I spend hours gently tying each stem together, making sure the colors and shapes complement each other beautifully. It takes patience as I arrange and rearrange the flowers until every little detail is just right. It's a meticulous process of arranging and rearranging until every detail is perfect. This process is a labor of love and shows my dedication to creating something truly special and remarkable. I absolutely adore how the bouquet turns out. It's a vibrant and lively arrangement bursting with the colors, textures, and freshness of springtime. The result is a stunning display that perfectly captures the essence and beauty of spring. When the bouquet is finished, a feeling of happiness and completion emerges from it. It symbolizes both the aesthetic appeal of the dried flowers, plants, and greenery, as well as the time and effort put into their gathering and arrangement. It is a personal present that remembers their unique celebration and expresses my love and best wishes for the celebrant. I so love giving these bouquets to the celebrant very much. As they hold this uniquely made bouquet in their hands, their faces are filled with delight and gratitude and smiles. From the selection to the arrangement, they are able to appreciate the attention to detail that went into every part of the entire arrangement. Collecting dried wildflowers, plants, and foliage has become an obsession to me. It lets me connect with nature, be creative, and bring joy to others. Every bouquet I make is a reflection of my passion and a tangible way to express love and celebrate important occasions. I hope I inspire you by this video, emphasizing the beauty of the arrangement of dried blooms. I invite you to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Whether you're a new or a returning viewer, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Continue watching until the end to observe the fascinating process and learn about the creativity involved in crafting a beautiful bouquet using dried blooms. Enjoy you all! Happy crafting! Make sure to stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing how I gather my collection of dried blooms.